Welcome to Musinves in Cambodia. Right now I'm in Pailin Province. We're about 16 kilometers from Pailin, and as you know, Pailin is actually on the border between Cambodia and Thailand. But yes, right now I'm in this factory. This warehouse actually can store up to 60,000 tons of sorghum, cassava and corn. Yes, all of these products are actually produced in Cambodia. Cambodia exports a lot of its cassava, corn to Thailand, but because of the conflict between Cambodia and Thailand, actually now Cambodia has shifted to other countries, including Vietnam, and obviously it's being sold more all over Cambodia because there is a contract with CP company in Phnom Penh and Kampot. But yes, right now you can see a lot of machinery behind me, and we have stocks of cassava, stocks of corn and stocks of sorghum. Yes, all of them can be used for animal feed, for livestock feed, as well as for the production of alcohol and also starch and a lot of food. Yes, definitely this is very interesting because they have a big quantity, a big stock. And obviously Cambodia has been affected because they were doing a lot of business, a lot of exporting to Thailand. So now Cambodia is looking for more partners, and last year there were actually more than 10 million tons of cassava, corn and sorghum that were exported. There is actually a company from Australia that specializes in the production of sorghum, and yes, it's called Asco Holding, and yes, this Australian company actually does produce a lot of sorghum. So yes, this is something that you should know, because agriculture in Cambodia is increasing, the production is slowly increasing, and yeah, definitely it's a country that is looking for more investment, but agriculture is on the rise. And if you're interested, you can contact us on our official website, our Facebook meta page and Instagram page. From here, Pailin Province, Battambang and Pailin are both agricultural powerhouses in Cambodia. So thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.